So this one, no, Ella, this is not for you, go away. This one is the one that was deep fried, okay? Deep frying is the traditional way of cooking this. It's very, you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, it's very crispy. This is what it looks like. I'm not very good at frying because I don't fry very often. This is what it looks like on the inside. And it's very nice. Sorry, getting some tissues. It's really nice. It's very crispy. The only thing is, because I'm not used to eating fried food, the only thing really I can taste seems to be the oil. I put it on. Yeah, I love you. I put it on tissue, on kitchen paper to let it drain. I allowed it to drain as much as possible, but really, I don't like it fried. It's too oily for me. This one, Ella, go away, please. Thank you. This one, you can see the color is lighter. This one, I just brushed it with oil and cooked it in the, what do you call it, in the air fryer, okay? So, again, it's still crispy. This is the inside. It tastes much nicer, less oily, so you really, I mean, you really don't need to fry it. If you have to have oil, brushing it with oil and baking it or putting it in the air fryer is enough. This one is the one without oil, no oil whatsoever. The color is not as nice as the others. You can see it's slightly golden. The only thing I did with this one is, because my air fryer sticks, I sprayed some oil on the basket itself so that it doesn't stick, but not on the thing. It's you can hear it's crispy. See? And on the inside, this is the inside of it. Okay. This is how I would eat it normally, and I quite like it. But I have to admit that the one that was brushed with oil is much more crispy than this one. But this is crispy. This is still crispy and nice. So if you want to do it without oil, you can still do it. The pie that I did, I was too hungry yesterday, and I ate it and finished it and forgot to film it. But it came out really, really nice. Again, I sprayed the tin with oil, and I put it in the air fryer, and I cooked it for about 25 minutes on 200 degrees C, and it came out really, really nice, very crispy. So really, the idea that you have to do it the traditional way, deep frying it, or even shallow frying it, you really don't. You can put it in the oven, and if you really want to have it very crispy, then just with a little bit of brushing it with a little bit of oil is more than enough. But I'm quite happy eating it like this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Hasta luego.